12. We're looking at an on-time arrival into Tokyo.
Okay, Captain, we got a rogue alien on the loose. How do we find him?
Start with the giant fireball?
I love it. Let's start with a giant fireball.
Finally, some action.
Okay, time to gear up. Titanium handcuffs, completely indestructible.
I don't need your silly gizmos, Fox. And you know why? Because I am 1,000,000% muscle. Yes, good. You've been listening.
We're over the drop zone.
All right, here we go. Showtime. Now look, we don't know if it's Godzilla or Hello Kitty down there, but as long as we stick together, there is nothing we can't handle. Team Sonic on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Team Knuckles!
Talk about low-budget flights. No food or movies? We're out of here.
Neon lights shine bright,